Don't try any of this at home ever.
That's the best video.
Carlos, if he does this, he'll die. All right, guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today because I just love to throw that out there when nobody's expecting anything and see what I get.
You throw me off every single time, dude.
We are going to test knee pads. We tested helmets. Now we're gonna test knee pads.
Oh, that means I can go super high on the wall ride and just knee it down.
That's right, and I can get dragged behind a car and just knee it down. So I'm gonna take the 888 ones because I'm pretty sure those are the best. So
I'll take this because the only ones I feel will fit me.
let's just go through these real fast. Knee Saver knee pads 888. Wish we had the prices on these. We get the prices? These ones were $15.99.
I'm very terrified that I got these ones.
Look at that.
There's far more protection than that.
At least they fit your knees.
Yeah.
I think those are elbow pads actually.
I
These
should
are
know
the
that.
DBXs, protecting me from taking an arrow to the knee.
Are we gonna put these on and shoot ourselves with the crossbow?
Does this go this way or does it go this way? I'm terrified.
It goes that way.
So I'm just gonna start this video out with
Wait,
a
how do you
little
know
public
which one-
service announcement. If you wear pads, that's cool. Do your thing. It is cool to wear pads. Let it roll. You might ask, why don't we ever wear pads? And each of us have our own very specific
I used
reason.
to have to, in Brentwood, you couldn't skate unless you had a full set of pads.
It's a rough world. What's the first test? Straight to the car?
I say knee slide test.
All right, let's
Right
go.
slide.
Wait, how does this work for non-flexible people though?
No, that's not how you skate with knee pads. You skate like this.
First kick of the day.
Doesn't hurt.
That's how you slide, fall on mega ramp. You have to slide on your knees and not anything else because you'll burn yourself.
Tutorial me real fast, Mega Ramp.
Run, bend your knees, and just lean back a little bit.
Really?
Yeah, show us these things. Are they on the right way?
I honestly don't know. Ah! God! Did you hear that?
Yeah,
it didn't even work!
Why would you do that?
Oh!
Counts.
Oh yeah, dude. For that extreme shooting, you know. Don't know when you need to throw an elbow.
Now you got a 180. You know what I want to see someone do, Freddie? Down that. Into the bank.
I don't get it.
I've never T-bowed so hard in my life. Oh! Slam it down, T-bow!
No, you didn't.
Yeah, try it.
You slid the whole box?
Do it again. You got it. You did it first try.
I can't do it! There's no way! My body doesn't, I can't sit like that, so that hurts really bad.
It's the initial durability test. Sliding on a ledge of wax.
Oh, son!
I'm like such a wussy. I'm like, I don't want to get my pants dirty. What about my shoes? I don't want to get them dirty either. See? Look. Man, dang it. Now we did some slides. Let's check the damage. We gotta do some actual real science here, people.
This looked already broken.
The razors, it's just wax everywhere. What about yours?
Prime.
The DB?
No, these slide the best for sure.
You think so?
I was going much slower than you were, and I was still going pretty far.
And the
You're
888s are legit. Well, you can wear those when you jump off the Braille drop if you wanna. You land on your knees off the Braille drop. Okay, well, what's the next test?
What that? What that? What that? Oh, it didn't work! It didn't work! I can't do it on my knees! It's too hard!
Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Mega ramp.
No, man, no. Relax, relax.
It feels incredible. It's like the wind has never been so glistening in my hair.
We go to the wall.
Yeah. Yeet!
It doesn't look any more damage was done.
No. Fetty's and mine are like both pretty legit. Carlos, if he does this, he'll die. a good idea.
I couldn't stop.
His kidneys.
That's the best video.
Wait.
The moment when you start going faster than the bungee.
That's a good test.
That looks so funny.
That's fun.
We did all the best tests first.
That took a lot out of me pulling that.
Dropping in on your knees.
Yeah, like I'm telling you, I learned from like actual professional mega ramp skater, and he's like, yo, it's gonna feel like you're falling, just go send it. You gotta lean back though, that's the main thing. It's like,
I'm out.
I can't stretch. I got there. I was sliding on that.
That's hard.
All right.
What is this?
Drag.
That's all you got? Up the ramp.
Let's damage report this. That's what I'm most interested in. Do they damage? No.
Look at mine. Mine's smooth.
But if you're a kid and you got these, that's like thousands of falls.
If your knee pads need to deal with this, I think you need something more than knee pads.
Yeah, like a full body suit of armor.
Which we need to get, by the way.
Medieval armor.
Yeah, I want you guys to skate in medieval armor. Uh-oh.
Just go around.
It's a lot harder than I thought. You gotta lean. It's not going anywhere.
Really?
That was like full speed. Unless, Betty, you wanna try it?
Are the sound effects necessary?
I am Odin. You're pulling me so off balance. Oh no!
Fetty makes as many holes in the walls as purpose as he can.
That was an accident.
Should we do like the longest just on flat slide? Let's start from this line right here. Right here is the line. Winner takes all.
Winner takes the knee pads.
We get 3 tries.
Paper. Haha.
Swoop for last.
Scissors.
Dang it.
I don't know how you guys do this though. I can't bend like this. That hurts.
Perfectly to the other line. Troy, you're gonna have to ref this.
I think Fetty's gonna take it. Because Aaron's knee pads, it seems like that
feel
plastic
I've
kind of
never
has
felt
more
like Cristiano
drag
Ronaldo
factor.
in the whole
I don't
control
know.
now.
Could be anyone's game. These are extra aerodynamic.
Except I cannot get in that position.
Try it. It's like yoga.
Don't, I need to do yoga. This hurts. Like all of this hurts.
There you go.
Trust. No! Yeah, that didn't feel good.
You just gotta break them in.
That crack.
It's like one of those zombies with no legs. Ah! Where's the tape measure? I want to measure it. I think that's like a good 3 feet.
that hurt.
I'm scared! Oh, ow!
Second place.
I got second?
Yeah.
Nope.
Why'd you take your shoes off?
Strategy with the
So you can
shoes.
slide more. Your shoe grips.
Wait, I got a plan. Dude, that's actually next level skateboarding right there.
For some reason, those specific ones just remind me of Ninja Turtles.
Why do they look so sick? Dang it. Second place. I ain't afraid. I'm just exhausted.
I think that worked.
It definitely worked. I've never ran so hard in my entire life, except for that one time.
Because it hurts me. I don't care.
First time I've ever beat Carlos at anything.
Come on, Nigel.
Oh, my knee came off!
Let's measure this. Hey, Troy, hold that. 24 feet.
Oh, destroyed.
Dang it. How can I beat that? Run faster? I don't know if I can run any faster, mate.
I'm not looking forward to this next try.
Gold medal! I mean, there wasn't like specific rules about not doing that, right?
I'm dead. That hurt.
Not much slidability in those ones.
No, there's no patability or slidability. I tried that, it didn't work. I tried to like put a little bit of wax on it to help me, but it didn't work at all.
I waxed my knee pads on the last try.
I did not wax my knee pads. The ground has enough wax on it.
Wax on wax.
Dang it! How do you get that far?
Was that all three?
Yeah. All right, peep this. Whoa, it's so hard. You hear that?
I don't know how it hasn't flung off your foot yet.
Don't fear the Reaper. Yeah, boy.
It's one way to test knee pads.
Shoe protectors.
All right, I got a review for you on your knee pads. Very small, says ages 5 and up. More like 7-ish and down. How does that make sense? 5 and up, 7-ish and down? Wouldn't that be within the 5 to 7 range?
Well, I guess I do look 7-ish and down, so. That's just,
Update, I just learned after 3 uses, one of them knee pads tore. Therefore, changing the rating to 1 star. I'd expect to get more than 3 uses of knee pads, which are worn to protect children.
yeah, I did 3 tries and broke both my kneecaps. So I'm
It's
good.
not true.
It's good padding for young kids, but based on me, it's just not enough, you know, so.
Very cheaply made, was cutting off circulation on daughter's legs with
That's another thing
much
also.
too small elastic type straps. They had to sew in for no good reason. We replaced with higher quality ones after first use. Wow,
Is that on Yelp?
they went all out.
They hacked us.
Just pulled them out of storage after the winter and the elastic straps have no stretch and are useless. Waste of money. Did they say they would expect them to go through a winter?
Fine print.
Yeah.
I think someone should try the same test just sliding outside.
Oh, it's cold. Back inside.
Cold. That's why you go to brailleskateboarding.com and get our brand new merch. This is nice.
Ow! I feel like it's gonna go through there and be on my actual knees and I'm not gonna be able to stop. Don't try any of this at home ever. Wear safety pads to protect yourself. That's what they're used for. You wanna drive me? Like a level 4 hurricane out here. I don't need to look pretty. Somehow it's stuck. Kick it up to like a good 60, 70, yeah? Do you think these are gonna put a hole though? If I do, how do I know and how do I stop?
I think you'll feel a burning sensation.
You get up and you're like, what happened to my kneecaps? All right, I'm ready. In the name of science, somebody has to do it. I love the glass the most. That was the scariest thing I have ever experienced. Oh no! Oh no!
You can do anymore.
Oh no!
There's already a hole.
Yeah, there's a hole in there. You wanna go?
No.
No way!
My knees are so sweaty and I didn't even do anything.
All right, give it a wang denga. Oh, my foot is cramping. I couldn't do it again.
Well, you're grinding them flat.
And look at this. Oh wow. It's like a big hill bomb. Give it a dagger. I would say if anybody else wants to try that, but I do not want anybody else to try that.
I'll try it.
You want to? No, Carlos, no! Look at it, mangled my shoes though, too. Okay, try and put these over your shoes.
So what's the experience? How is it?
When she starts flipping in a circle, if you hold on through that, I mean, be careful, because you could fly into the wall, you could fly into the fence.
Not to mention the glass.
This is the worst idea we've had.
So you're admitting it? Okay. Oh my god. That is gnarly, dude. Look at this. Oh, damage report.
Straight hole.
Straight up dead.
How do you top that now?
You don't. I mean, what I would do if we had the crossbow is I would shoot these with the crossbow. Actually, you know what would be cool? Is to put them all in a row. But at this point, there's not even really protection left. All right, guys, so let's take a little quick review of this and see what we got here. So these DBX ones, they definitely went through a very rough go. I mean, once you're being dragged on asphalt behind a car, I think that's like the ultimate of knee pad wear. There definitely is a nice hole right there, little hole through this. But all in all, like, I can't think of any scenario that you would be doing anywhere. Maybe bombing the gnarliest hill in San Francisco ever, and then slide on your knees down the whole thing. You would be okay. That would protect you. Same with these. In fact, I think that these ones held up the absolute best. 888. Seemed like the 888 helmet was the best. The 888 knee pads were the best. The Razor ones, I mean, I don't know what to say. I think these are even the elbow pad ones. These are obviously for smaller children. And again, if you were gonna have this and you were sliding in any real scenario, that would protect you and be okay. Not a lot of padding in there, but
Basically, don't slide on your knees with the car.
these ones, I don't really know what to say about these ones. I mean, it doesn't seem like there's much padding in here at all. We were definitely not gonna drag these behind a car because just look at that. I think it would just like slide off and your knees would be gone. If you're gonna rock these, I'm sure they would protect you somewhat. But to be honest, if you're gonna get these for like the 20 bucks or whatever, I would just go ahead and snag the 888s, huh? This is not a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form for any of these products. We just wanted to test some of these different safety apparatuses to see, you know, what we could do with them, and yeah, super fun. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, go to brailleskateboarding.com, get your rank, and be part of the map of the whole world of skateboarding.